automotive safety technician, 19 years inspecting failures. He called me at 11 p.m., voice shaking. I need you to make an urgent video. Silverados 2015 to 2019, brake problem causing accidents. If you own a Silverado from these years, don't drive tomorrow until you check what I'm about to show you. Could save your life. If you own a 2015 to 2019 Silverado, subscribe now and share this with every owner you know. This is serious. Silverado 2015 to 2019 has a critical failure in the electric brake booster. It's the component that multiplies the force from your foot on the pedal. Without it, you need to press with all your strength to stop. And it's failing, without warning. The technician showed me NHTSA reports, over 2,400 complaints filed, 17 accidents, 3 deaths. The brake booster simply stops working, he explained. You press the brake and feel the pedal hard. Truck doesn't stop. The worst part, it happens while driving. You're driving normal, go to brake, and discover you lost 80% of braking power. GM knows about the problem since 2018, did partial recall, but thousands of trucks still have the defect. You need to check your truck today if you have any of these signs. Sign 1, brake pedal harder than normal, especially in the morning. Sign 2, brake warning light flashing on the dashboard, even if it goes away later. Sign 3, electric motor noise coming from behind the pedal when you start the truck. Sign 4, braking distance increased. You notice you need to brake earlier. If you have any of these signs, don't drive. The technician was clear. Get it towed to the dealership. Why so serious? Because when the booster fails completely, you lose braking in seconds. On highway, that's fatal. If you own a 2015 to 2019 Silverado, pause the video now and go check your truck. Seriously, your life is worth more than 5 minutes. Here's the test you can do right now before going to sleep. Test 1. Truck off, press brake 5 times. Pedal should get harder with each press. If it gets soft, problem. Test 2. Start the truck. You should hear a light buzzing from the booster for 2 to 3 seconds. If you don't hear it, problem. Test 3. With truck running, press brake and hold. Pedal should not sink slowly. If it sinks, serious problem. Test 4. Drive an empty parking lot. Brake hard at 20 miles per hour. Truck should stop in less than 2 seconds. If it takes longer, problem. If it fails any test, don't drive. The technician repeated. Call a tow truck. Don't risk it. GM is replacing the booster for free on trucks with recall, but you need to check if yours is on the list. He told me 3 cases that kept me up at night. Case 1, family man in San Antonio, 2017 Silverado, booster failed on highway with wife and 2 kids, hit the back of a semi-truck at 60 miles per hour, whole family in the hospital. Case 2, woman in Denver, 2016 Silverado, going down mountain, booster failed, emergency brake didn't hold, went off-road, survived by a miracle. Case 3, man in Ohio, 2018 Silverado, booster failed at intersection, couldn't stop, hit a car with elderly woman. She didn't survive. He told me all of them had the warning signs, he told me with a heavy voice. All of them ignored them. The brake booster costs $800 to $1,200 to replace. How much is your life worth? If you still haven't checked your truck, go now. Don't wait for morning. Do the 4 tests I showed you. Step 1. Do the 4 tests I taught you today. Don't leave it for tomorrow. Step 2. Go to NHTSA website and enter your VIN. See if your truck has open recall. Step 3. If you have any problem signs, don't drive. Get it towed to GM dealership. Step 4. Add the dealership. Demand complete brake booster inspection. Don't accept everything's fine without checking. Step 5. If no recall, but you have symptoms, insist on replacement. It's a safety issue. The technician warned me. GM will try to say it's normal. Don't accept it. Your life is at stake. And if the dealership refuses, file a complaint with NHTSA. More complaints mean more pressure for complete recall. Silverado 2015 to 2019, brake booster failure. 4 signs: hard pedal, light flashing, noise, longer distance. 4 tests: press 5 times, listen for buzz, hold pedal, brake hard. If it fails, don't drive. Share this video with every 2015 to 2019 Silverado owner you know. Could save a life. Comment checked if you already tested your truck now. Like if this alerted you, and come back tomorrow to confirm your truck is safe. Don't drive tomorrow without checking. Your family needs you alive.
Thanks, and stay safe.